Hello guys, welcome to A to Z. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing how to install the MinGW compiler. In order to install the MinGW compiler, we will go to our browser and type MinGW compiler. We'll select this one and we will select the first link. And from this website, we will select the download option. And this will shortly start our download for the MinGW compiler. And we can see that our compiler has been downloaded. We will go to the folder where the setup is downloaded. We will double click on it. We will click the install from this window, continue, and this will start downloading the compiler installation manager. It's downloaded, and now we will click on the continue, and we will see the installation manager window. And from this manager window, we will see the packages. We will enable the or mark for installation developer toolkit. We'll also mark for installation the base, mark for installation. We'll also mark for installation the G We'll also mark for installation for the GCC object as well, mark for installation. And once it is done, go to the installation, apply changes, and click on apply. And this will start to download all the packages required to install the MinGW compiler, and this will take a couple of minutes based on your internet speed. Okay, it has been successfully downloaded. Now close it, minimize it, and everything is minimized. Then go to your PC. From your PC, go to the C drive, find the MinGW compiler, go to the bin, and from here, copy the path of this folder. And now search for environment variables, click on it, select environment variables, go to the system variables. Here you will see path, double click on it, click new, and here paste the path that you have copied from the bin of the MinGW compiler, and click OK, OK, and OK. And now we have successfully installed the MinGW compiler. Let's check it from the command prompt. Go to the command prompt, select the command prompt, and from here type G++ space dash version and press enter. And this will show your MinGW compiler version, and it means we have successfully installed the MinGW compiler. So if you liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video.